Once upon a cold morning in Seoul, two young girls dressed beautifully were chasing an 8 a.m. call time. What a relief! They could now take selfies. 2 hours later, they've arrived at a place where they couldn't stop saying,
Hey.
Ruby shoes, rosy cheeks, skipping down Linden Street. Here's the bird sings along, joining in their morning song. Big ideas, little hands, dreaming up mighty plans. Waves hello to the sun, a new adventure has begun. There's pirates and princess and crocodile caves, and skies full of ships that the starlight engrave.
"Oops, may I just interrupt? Go back to the bus, ladies. Time's up."
Bali, bali, bali. Tara, bilisan natin. Sorry.
30-minute bus ride and 10-min boat ride later, they've arrived at Nami Island.
I recommend you just go Main Street here. Main Street here. Yeah. And here you can see the Pine Tree Street. Pine Tree Street. And then going inside, you can see Kinko Tree Street here. Kinko Tree Street. And I recommend you can turn right here.
Walking down the Korean pine tree lane.
After some bio break and a 30-minute bus ride, they've arrived at Gangchon Railpark.
I got bells on my toes, a heart for a nose. I'm the grand prize of the carnival show. I'm all by myself, way up on the shelf, waiting for you to come along and give me some help. Take me home, home. I'll give you all of my loving.
Lamig!
just you and me. You could call it love if you want. Take me home. Step right up and give your best shot for me.
You are my everything.
Give you all of my love.
Palabas na namin.
Wow, keep that positive vibe, ladies. More tunnels to go.
I'll get dirty. You'll have to keep me clean. The gentle cycle on the washing machine. You'll need to hold me when I rip and tear. A small price to pay for taking me everywhere. And when we get the time to spend an overnight, you can love and squeeze and hold me tight. And if the world has got you down and you need to cry, I'll be right there by your side. Giving you all of my love. I'll give you all of my love. All of my love. All of my love.
Toast na. Sama ka.
One, two, three. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Bali, bali, bali.
Wala, hindi ko makita.
Sel!
Napagod na yung legs ko.
The design is very romantic. Next time, Sel, tumawa mo naman kasi. Maganda na. Sakay na. Say hello. 1, 2.
Kung ano sa lamig. Lamig pa dito sa Korea.